Good morning. You are listening Nishay Sharma, your news anchor from La Para Media. Here, we bring you latest updated news of 25th June from around the world. Coronavirus updates. West Bengal government extends lockdown till July 31. With the highest single-day spike of 15,968 cases and 465 deaths in the last 24 hours, India's COVID-19 cases count reached 4,56,183 on Wednesday. 14,476 deaths have been recorded due to the infections so far in the country. This includes 1,83,022 active cases and 2,58,685 cured, discharged, migrated patients. Rajasthan reports 10 deaths and 382 new COVID-19 positive cases today. The total number of positive cases in the state stands at 16,009, including 3,023 active cases and 375 deaths, State Health Department said. With 1,144 new coronavirus cases, Mumbai tallies rise to 69,625, toll increase to 3,962 as 38 more patients die, BMC said. West Bengal reports 11 COVID-19 fatalities, taking deaths to 591. 445 more people test positive, officials said. I request Center to withdraw new system assessment of every COVID-19 patient at government-run facility, Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal said. India reinforces flashpoint areas as China holds ground, sources said. Indian fighter jets roared over the flashpoint Himalayan region on Wednesday, as per of show of strength following a violent clash between the two armies in Galwan Valley in eastern Ladakh. Chinese forces have held on to a chunk of land covering several square kilometers mile at the mouth of Galwan, the Indian military sources told AFP. India-China standoff updates. India-China holds diplomatic talks to ease border tension. Border tension between India and China continues and several rounds of military-level talks have been unable to break the deadlock. China-India agreed to strictly abide by important consequences reached by their leaders' statement. Indian Army Chief awards commendations cards to soldiers who fought Chinese troops in face-off in Ladakh. China continues military build-up along LAC near eastern Ladakh. Cabinet opens space assets for all. OK's new space border in space to provide level playing field to private companies. In a historic decision, the Union Minister Prakash Javadekar, while announcing a series of cabinet decisions, said the Modi government on Wednesday decided to open this country's space asset for all and approved setting up of a new space border called Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center IN Space. The low-tech way that helped Japan tackle coronavirus quickly. The view might have been new, but for Yoko Koizumi, the work was still the same. In Kawasaki, a city just south of Tokyo, nearly 300 people had tested positive for the coronavirus. She was able to draw on a familiar strategy to use in past pandemics and seasonal outbreaks, trace infection routes via close contacts, and arrange treatment where needed. BJP-led Manipur government stable. LINPP back in fold after meeting with Amit Shah. After a week in milderness, BJP-led coalition government in Manipur, held by Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, gained strength and stability with the return of National People's Party NPP to its fold on Wednesday. Cooperative banks to be brought under RBI supervision, a development aimed at providing comfort to depositors and prevent repeat of Punjab and Maharashtra cooperative PMC bank-like scams. IMF projects sharp concentration of 4.5% in India economy in 2020, a historic low. Trump's H-1B move gift to China hurts India, does nothing for US, analysts said. US President Donald Trump executive order suspending green card and visa for a range of foreign guest workers is being described as gift to China, even as India is identifying countries that will suffer most from the action. ITR filing deadlines for FY19 extended till July 31. PAN Aadhaar linkage till March 2021. I'm Nishi Sharma. We'll come back with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.